Hello and welcome back to another week here at Knack Kitchen, where today we are making a 3-ingredient chocolate cake. Yes, you heard that correctly. It is just a 3-ingredient cake. It is super easy, super delicious. Even if you've never baked a cake in your life, trust me, there's no way to mess this up. So this is the perfect cake for you. And without wasting any more time, let's just dive into this video and see how we make this. So we're going to start by taking some Oreo biscuits, and I have the chocolate Oreos here, but you can use any flavor. You could even use some other biscuit of choice. And we're just going to grind this into a fine powder, and then we're going to go ahead and add the other 2 ingredients here, and that is just some baking powder and some milk. And that's all. We're just going to give this all a quick stir until everything is combined, and we'll have something which resembles the consistency of a cake batter. And that's when this is ready, and all you have to do is transfer this to a greased baking tin. I have a 6-inch cake tin here, and we bake this in a preheated oven, and that's it. Our 3-ingredient chocolate cake is ready. It's just going to cool down in the tin first for about 10 minutes, and then we're going to take this out on a wire rack and let this cool completely. This cake is absolutely delicious all on its own, but just to make it complete, we are going to ice this, and for that I'm going to make a chocolate ganache. And in this lockdown, I surprisingly cannot find fresh cream for whatever reason. So we're going to make the ganache without fresh cream. So here I have some dark chocolate. I've microwaved this for about 30 seconds. And then we're just going to give this a quick stir and add some butter. I'm using salted butter here, but you can use unsalted butter as well. You can even skip this out completely if you want. You can just directly add the milk and give that all a stir until everything is combined. For the chocolate ganache without butter and just chocolate and milk, I'm going to leave the ingredient amounts in the description box below. So once everything has been mixed in, we are going to microwave this for another 30 seconds, and then we'll give this one final stir so that the butter is completely melted and everything will be combined. And this is the consistency that we're looking for. It is going to be absolutely smooth and shiny and glossy. So now all that's left to do is ice our cake, which is basically just pouring all of the ganache on top, and with the help of a spatula I'm smoothing this out. You can just do it with the help of a spoon. It's totally fine. It's just a cake for your lockdown craving, so it does not have to be perfect as far as appearance is concerned. So here you have my 3-ingredient chocolate cake. It is absolutely amazing. The flavors are impeccable. And if I'm being completely honest, I feel like my family liked this cake more than all the other chocolate cakes that I've made. I find it a little offensive, but it's true. This cake is so delicious, nobody's going to realize that it only requires 3 ingredients. So now I'm just going to slice into this cake just to show you how soft the crumb is. And it really is a cake, in case you are doubting whether the consistency is going to be that of a cake. So here you can see the beautiful moist crumb. The cake is so delicious. I'm salivating even right now. And I just hope that you give this cake a try so that you can see for yourself just how amazing it is. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please do give a like, do share and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And as always, thank you so very much for watching, and I'm gonna see you next week.